dreams in the sand.
Naalala ko pa nga nun eh, parang ayaw mo pa sa akin nun eh. Kasi linalike mo lang yung mga chat ko eh. Pero thankful ako kasi binigyan ako ng chance. Binigyan mo ko ng chance para ipakita at magpakilala sa'yo as a friend. We started as a friend, then that friendship turned into a love. And now, that love will go from here, stepping from our relationship, from boyfriend to girlfriend, then turned into fiancé, and now going to being your husband.
We'll get there one day at a time.
First of all, I want to thank God for everything. Today is a very special day. Parang panaginip kong maituturing, sino ba namang mag-aakala sa napaka-iksing panahon na tayo ay nagkakilala, ay hahantong tayo sa bagong yugto ng ating buhay. Buhay ng pagiging mag-asawa. Alam kong maraming nagsasabi bakit parang ang bilis. Pero para sa akin, alam kong ikaw na. Para sa akin, parang sobrang tagal na. Sa tagal kong naghintay, napaka-worth it pala ng resulta. Na makilala ka, and I know you're my answered prayer.
Today, I stand here as a changed man. You have made me a better version of myself. As we step into the new chapter of this journey called married life as a husband and wife, I promise to cherish, honor, love, and protect you by all means. Thank you so much for loving me wholeheartedly and for showing me the beauty of change. To you, my love, let us continue to grow and create a lifetime happiness and cherish our memories. Mahal na mahal kita, Mami.
We are the reverie, we are the dreamers.
Ga, thank you for always pursuing me, loving me and taking good care of me, for choosing me and never stop understanding me. Ga, alam kong hindi magiging madali. Alam kong marami pa tayong pagdaraanan. Tiwala lang, dasal lang, makakaya din natin to. Palagi mong tatandaan, andito ako palagi. Maghihintay sa'yo kahit late ka nang nakakauwi galing trabaho. Palaging mag-a-adjust sa schedules mo. Andito ako, na asawa mo, na masasandalan mo. Pangakong mamahalin kita, gaya ng pagmamahal ng mga magulang mo sa'yo. Pangakong iintindihin kita, paglulutuan at paghahainan ka ng pagkain na kahit hindi ka mahilig sa maalat na timpla. Pangakong papakinggan ka sa lahat ng problema mo. Kwentong masaya o malungkot man ito, mahal na mahal kita. At kahit pa napakagulo na ng sitwasyon, lagi mong tatandaan na ikaw palagi ang aking pinipili.
Isang tanda ito ng lakas ng loob. Ibig sabihin nga, no, mas matibay ka, mas malakas ka. Kasi nasasabi mo, sige lang, okay lang, hayaan mo na. It means you are strong enough to want and to work on peace and harmony in your marriage. No? Ganun ka kalakas, ganun katatag na ang mas mahalaga sa'yo, yung katiwasayan ng pagsasama.